Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show how to remove the landing area in Starfield. Are you looking for a quick guide how to remove the landing area in Starfield? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Right, so there are a couple of reasons why you might want to get rid of their landing area. First, it can up the game's difficulty by taking away that help. Second, it adds realism since real-life pilots don't have a set landing area. Uh, so it's very easy to do this. So you begin by launching the Starfield game and entering its main menu. In the main menu, locate the options or settings menu. This is typically represented by a gear icon. Inside the options menu, you will find a variety of settings that allow you to customize your gameplay. Look specifically for the landing zone setting. Remember the landing zone setting. Once you found that, you'll notice a toggle switch next to it. By default, the switch is usually turned on, indicating that the landing zone is visible during your gameplay. So just toggle it off to remove it. And yeah, that's that simple. That's pretty much how you do it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.